GCSE Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you will learn about scatter graphs. Scatter graphs. Scatter graphs show two variables plotted against each other, for example rainfall and the sale of wellies. Instead of drawing bars, the points are plotted, but no line is drawn connecting them. First, decide which variable goes on which axis. The independent variable, the one that is not affected by the other, goes on the horizontal axis, whereas the dependent variable, the one that is affected by an increase or decrease of the other, goes along the vertical axis. In the example of welly boots and rainfall, the Wellingtons are the dependent variable. It doesn't rain simply because Sammy from Chester bought some wellies. When drawing a scatter graph, make sure that you label your graphs. If the variables are related, then they are correlated. This does not necessarily mean that the change is caused by one variable or another. In a negative correlation, as one variable increases, the other decreases. The points slope downwards. If two variables have no linear relationship, then no general trend in the position of the points can be seen. Just because there is a correlation does not necessarily mean that one variable causes another. Correlations can be caused by a third factor that is not mentioned, or it can just simply be a coincidence. There is a correlation between the number of pirates today and the increase in global temperatures. There is no causation between these two variables. A change in the number of pirates will not stop global warming. Outliers are results that do not seem to fit the rest of the trend. Sometimes they might have been caused by a mistake. Sometimes there is an explanation. A line of best fit is a straight line that goes through as many of the points as possible, following the path of the points. There should be roughly each numbers of points on both sides of the line. A line of best fit can be used to estimate values. Estimating within values you already have, interpolation, is normally quite accurate. A line of best fit can be extended. This is called extrapolation. This extended line can be used to predict values, although this is less accurate. The closer the points are to the line of best fit, the stronger the correlation. In a negative correlation, as one variable increases, the other decreases. The points slope downwards. Thank you for attending.